into your shoulder. Make sure you get your stance comfortable. You can see your target. All right. Finger off the trigger. Hold the weapon properly. Range going hot. Take it off and safe. All right. Make sure I take your time. Breathe. Time. Getting heavy in. If you want, you can make it safe and then bring it down and catch yourself. It gets heavy after a while. When you get used to it, it wouldn't be as heavy. I mean, it'll still be heavy, but you just be used to it. Lean into the bed. Lean forward a bit. Done. Take your time, lean to the left of it, lean to the right of it. Take your time, find your target, okay? Take your feet,